Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn 20 English sentences for daily use. So without wasting of time, let's begin. Don't encourage bad manners. बुरे अखलाक की हौसला अफजाई ना करें. Don't encourage bad manners. It's very cold tonight. आज रात बहुत सर्दी है. It's very cold tonight. I have no words to express thanks to you. मेरे पास आपका शुक्रिया अदा करने के लिए अल्फाज नहीं हैं. I have no words to express thanks to you. I am a bit worried today. मैं आज थोड़ा परेशान हूँ. I am a bit worried today. You order like you are my father. तुम ऐसे हुक्म चलाते हो जैसे मेरे बाप हो. You order like you are my father. I will never be able to forget these memories. मैं उन यादों को कभी भी भुला ना सकूँगा. I will never be able to forget these memories. May I use your phone? क्या मैं आपका फ़ोन इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ? May I use your phone? Your mind needs repairing. तुम्हारा दिमाग ठीक होने वाला है. Your mind needs repairing. He works from morning to night. वो सुबह से शाम तक काम करता है. He works from morning to night. How much money do you have? तुम्हारे पास कितने पैसे हैं? How much money do you have? I will think over this matter. मैं इस बारे में सोचूंगा. I will think over this matter. Who do you want to meet? आप किससे मिलना चाहते हैं? Who do you want to meet? I just know him by name. मैं उसे सिर्फ नाम से जानता हूँ. I just know him by name. This matter is still under consideration. यह मामला अभी ज़ेर गौर है. This matter is still under consideration. It's a great place to live. ये रहने के लिए एक बेहतरीन जगह है. It's a great place to live. I won't do that again. मैं दोबारा ऐसा नहीं करूँगा. I won't do that again. Education is key to success. तालीम कामयाबी की कुंजी है. Education is key to success. Life is very hard. ज़िंदगी बहुत मुश्किल है. Life is very hard. The weather was hot yesterday. कल मौसम गर्म था. The weather was hot yesterday. It's raining today. आज बारिश हो रही है. It's raining today. इसके साथ ही हमारी आज की वीडियो ख़त्म हुई. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.